I like the idea of having the premium chicken daddy shirt of giving to a government that is not the best at spending money. Well, the government is really good at spending money. Too good. Yes. We should remove the absurd exemptions, but do we also need to rewrite the tax code as well to accomplish this? I'm more concerned about how easy it is. From my premium chicken daddy shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, premium chicken daddy shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. Who would genuinely premium chicken daddy shirt? I dunno. I am certainly open to the idea of Bill Gates the individual using his individual billionaire status to do real good for the world. I can even buy that he is motivated by genuine good and not self-aggrandizement. The goal is not to have taxes. It's to have more social infrastructure. The main argument is, why should billionaires and millionaires get to shape the future by giving money to promote their agenda rather than putting it back into the public coffers through taxes? If you were really in favor of other product